Hi guys, welcome to my channel Trendy Unboxing. If you guys are new to my channel then don't forget to hit the subscribe button down and like and share this video. So in this video I have brought the review of Dabur Dant Rakshak Ayurvedic paste. I have already made a first impression and overview video of this Dabur Dant Rakshak Ayurvedic paste. I have given the link of the video in the description box below. You can watch the same. This Dabur Dant Rakshak Ayurvedic paste directly competes with the Patanjali Danta Kanti paste. And guys, this is much better than Patanjali Danta Kanti paste. As far as the ingredients are concerned, this paste contains lavang that kills germ, then dadim which provides antioxidants, pudina which provides fresh breath, akhroot which helps to find stains, and pelu which helps in gum care. If you have any dental problem, then you can go for this paste and try it for some days and see whether your problem gets resolved or not. After using this toothpaste, I found that my mouth was getting clean and I was getting that fresh breath in my mouth. The best part about this toothpaste is that it is just rupees 42. The one thing that I didn't like about this toothpaste is that you get little bit of burning sensation after you use it. It might be with my case, but you can also try it and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below whether you also get the same thing in your mouth. If you have teeth decay or if you have pain in your teeth, then you can use the toothpaste guys and it will really give you best result. For me, this toothpaste has actually worked. I had pain in my teeth and after using this toothpaste, my pain was gone. So guys, that's all in this video. Let me know your thoughts and feedback about this Dabur Dant Rakshak Ayurvedic paste in the comment section below. Before ending this video, I would like to inform you guys that we are a community and to support this community we need subscribers. So please go ahead and click the subscribe button down and like and share this video. Thank you.